Gavin.
Sadie.
Life changes with the good and the bad. No exit, no exit, no exit. Life changes and so do the rules. If everybody knew that we had something to do. Life changes and so do the things that I say. Then one day you say
Bridge Cove University. Their design program's pretty cool, and I applied for a scholarship there. But I don't know. We can't really afford it otherwise, but I'd be the first in my family to go to college.
Was it ever scary?
Ah!